The cuts to the Department of Education is causing concern for one Montana parent who has had to overcome many barriers to get her child proper education, and now she fears what will come when the state is in control.
For most parents, this is a very hard journey.
For parents of kids with disabilities, advocating for their children never stops. Rebecca Richards understands it firsthand.
We're dealing with so much when you have a child with a disability.
Richards' daughter has cystic fibrosis and diabetes. She was in and out of the hospital when first starting school.
We're not a resource-rich state. It's a struggle for our parents and our families to get the medical needs, much less the special education needs.
Fighting for her daughter's needs, Richards was able to ensure her student with disabilities has equal access to education.
The Department of Education, that's one way that parents can interact and say, hey, these services are not being provided for my child.
President Donald Trump's administration is cutting the Department of Education approximately in half. Trump has previously said he wants to dismantle the department altogether and give funding control back to the states.
I think, if anything, we should be putting way more resources into education in general.
Jamie Isley retired from teaching after 30 years and is currently a Montana House representative from Livingston.
While it's very concerning, I also think we have to be patient. We want to assess the situation, really see how it's going to impact us and our students and our schools in the state.
Richard's daughter was able to graduate and move on to college.
She falls under OCR's 504 at that state public institution to be stripped of those rights. So it's just a really scary place to be.
The agency says it will continue providing funding for special needs students, but Richards worries this will just be another roadblock for parents and students.
We just really need those kind of pieces in place to ensure that our most vulnerable students are taken care of.
In Billings, Haley Monaco, MTN News.